Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get started in the stock market. By the end of this video, you'll have your trading platform set up along with your first stock purchase. This video is targeted to people living in Canada as there are some key differences in trading as compared to the United States. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, everyone's financial situation is different, and if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to a licensed financial advisor. So what is a stock? A stock is a piece of a company. When you purchase a stock, you are essentially purchasing a small piece of a company, and if the value of that company rises, so will your stock, which you can then sell at a profit. Using the stock market effectively is a great way to build wealth and help plan for the future. Types of trading. There are different types of trading, which include options trading, but these are more advanced methods. In this video, we're just going to stick to stock trading. Trading platform. I'm going to show you guys how to create an account in the trading platform Wealthsimple. It's a Canadian platform. It's very easy to use. It's beginner friendly, and they also offer a mobile application which allows you to view and manage your investments on the go. Wealthsimple offers a different range of trading accounts, so make sure you pick the one that is right for you. They do have a vast range of them, but I'm going to show you the most common ones that most people use. The first is a TFSA, or a tax-free savings account. Making investments with a TFSA means you don't have to pay taxes on any investment gains. You can also withdraw these funds without any penalty. However, your contribution amount is limited. The next account is an RRSP, or a Registered Retirement Savings Plan. These are typically used to plan for retirement and can allow you to defer taxes on returns from your investments. This would only be the case if you access these funds when you retire and are in a lower tax bracket. This is because the funds that you receive from this account will be added to your income, so if you pull money from this account while still having an income, you may have to pay income tax on your investments. The next account is a personal account. This allows you to invest your money into the stock market, and any returns on your investment would be taxable. You would only want to invest into a personal account if you have maxed out your TFSA and RRSP. Now, there are some other account types on Wealthsimple. I'll leave a link down below so you can go check them out and see which one is right for you. The next thing that you're going to want to do is download the Wealthsimple app. I do have a referral link in the description down below, and if you create an account using my link, you will receive a free stock. Once you have the app downloaded on your phone, simply create an account, and I'm going to show you guys how to navigate the app. So this is what you see when you enter the application. As you can see here, I have the total amount of money in my account along with the various stocks I own and my different account types. So if I enter my personal account, for example, you'll see a chart of my stock performance over time. You can go through it and see your performance in different date ranges along with the stocks you have in your portfolio. So now to purchase your first stock, what you're going to want to do is head over to the Discover tab, and you'll see here you have a bunch of different companies that you can invest into. If we head over to top lists, you'll see the top 100 on Wealthsimple, which are a lot of big companies that you may recognize. So if I go to view all here, you'll see Air Canada, Tesla, Apple, and so on. Let's head over to Tesla, for example. As you can see here, a share price is close to $1,000 US. You can track the performance and see various statistics at the bottom of the screen here. Now, a cool feature that Wealthsimple does have is something called fractional trading. So if you click this here, you'll see this fractional trading available. So if I head over to purchase a stock, I select which account type I want to put that stock in. So I'll select my TFSA, for example. Then I'll have different types of purchasing methods. So I have fractional buy at the top here, and if I click this, you'll see market buy and fractional buy. So this is a new feature. Normally, you would just have market buy, and you would enter how many shares of a company you'd want to purchase. So let's say I want to buy 1 share of Tesla. I would press 1, and then I would have to, my estimated cost would be close to $1,000 US. What fractional purchasing allows you to do is you pick how much money you want to invest into that company instead of picking how many shares you want to purchase. So if I head over to fractional buy, instead of simply typing how many shares I want to purchase, I'll type in the amount of money I want to invest into the company. So I get a fraction of a share. So if I put in $100 here, you'll see that I'll get an estimated 0.1 shares in Tesla. So what this allows me to do is diversify my investments easier, and it makes it a little bit easier to invest in more valuable stocks like Tesla, because it being $1,000, you may not feel comfortable putting $1,000 in right away. So you can slowly build your way up, putting $10, $50, $100, and so on until maybe one day you own an entire share of Tesla. Also within Wealthsimple, if you scroll to the bottom of search, you'll find crypto. So if you do want to get invested in crypto, you can also do that with an app as well. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the major crypto coins, as well as some smaller ones. So yeah, you can take a look at that if that does interest you. Alright guys, so that's just a quick overview of Wealthsimple. I'm going to close the application now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information I provided to you today was helpful, and I wish you continued success on your trading journey. Anyways, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.